Would you like to view a quote from the client's view? In this video, we'll learn how to generate a client view quote URL in just a few easy steps. There are two ways to access the quote: by clicking the hyperlink button to open it directly, or by copying and pasting the URL into a new tab to view the quote in the client view format. Let's get started. To begin, let's head to the Quotes section. In this section, you can generate the client view quote URL with any status except voided. Locate the quote you want to view from the client's perspective and click on its ID. This will open the quote details page. Next, click the More button and select Client View URL to generate the quote's unique link. First, I'll demonstrate viewing it by clicking the View Quote Hyperlink button. Let's take a look. Success. This is the quote as it appears in the client view. Now I'll copy the URL, paste it into a new tab, and view it again. Congratulations! We've effectively generated the client view quote URL in just a few easy steps. Want to learn more tips and tricks on how to use Blixo? Please like and subscribe. Not a Blixo customer yet? Want to grow sales, manage subscriptions, improve retention, and automate accounting? Sign up for Blixo today by visiting Blixo.com.